Hey, this is Kurt with East Coast Dent Repair. A little sweaty here. We just fixed a dent on the hood on this really nice Camero SS supercharged. The guy's pride and joy here. Figured I'd show you this dent we're getting ready to fix on the fender. It's very common for people to get dents like this when stuff falls off the shelf in the garage. So here's a little dent here on the fender. On the top of the fender on this thing. Pretty good one, but this is very common when people have stuff fall off the shelf in their garage or they're reaching for something and knock something down. We do these a lot. Here's what it looks like now, and we'll go ahead and show you what it's going to look like when we're done. Okay, we're back with our 2010 red Camero SS. The dent in the fender came out fantastic. No paint, no filler. Didn't have to take it to a body shop, done at the customer's location. If you need us, we can be found at 321-987-3873 or fldentrepair.com.